Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way and the easiest way to learn coding, to learn any programming languages. It is super easy, fast, efficient, and simple. You don't have to install anything. Go to your browser and type W3 schools and click on w3schools.com. Here you have tutorials, courses, examples, and try it yourself for all the programming languages, the old programming languages and the new programming languages. You can learn here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, C, C++, C Sharp, Bootstrap, React, MySQL, and any other database technologies, Excel, XML, and so on, all of them. For example, we want to learn HTML for the first time. Click on HTML, and here you have all the fundamentals, all the components of HTML, and here it starts. What is HTML? The introduction, the editor, the basics, and here you have try it yourself. You can write here HTML scripts and you see it here. You don't have to use any code editor or any IDE. You don't have to install anything. It is completely ready to use. For example, I change here to thank you for watching this video. And when you click on run, you see the changes. You can add here, for example, another HTML element or HTML tag. For example, h3. The best way to learn coding. h3 run, the best way to learn coding. So this is HTML. For example, you want to learn JavaScript. You can learn coding, you can learn any programming languages from very basics to very advanced on one place with examples, with demos, and with so many other helpful options and tips. And here you have all the components or elements of JavaScript. Variables, operators, conditions, loops, strings, numbers, functions, objects, and so on. And the same thing if you want to learn Python. Same thing you have here about Python. For Java, for PHP. For example, Python variables. What are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. Python has no command for declaring a variable. Two examples of variables. Try it yourself. Here x is 5, y is John. You print x, you print y. And we can change it, for example, x plus 7, and run. You will see the result. Now x is 5, y is x plus 7, which is 5 plus 7, which is 12. Here you can write any Python code and click on run. It will show the result. You see, you don't need to install Python compiler, Python building tools to learn Python or to work with Python. It is completely ready. So you learn coding, you learn programming languages without going through extra work and without thinking about buying very expensive, powerful computer. For this, you don't need a powerful computer because the work is done by the server of W3 schools. You can learn Python from basics to advanced with so many models and examples that can help you to learn it super efficient and fast. At the end, here you have top tutorials, top references, top examples, get certified. At the end of each component or each chapter, you have quiz and also exercises that can help you to practice, memorize, and learn the programming language that you are trying to learn. This is just to show you that you can become a full stack software engineer just by using your browser and the W3 schools without installing any coding software or any coding tools or any compiler or any IDE. It is completely for free. Only if you want to get certified to get a certificate, then you pay kinda $50 or something to get your certificate. Here you have spaces for teachers. You can also learn together with your friends. So you can create a group and learn together. This is I think, in my opinion, the best platform or the best online course for learning any programming languages and coding, software engineering, web development, front-end development, back-end development, database, and etc. completely for free. That's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that you have this free and the best option to learn coding. I have also published many courses and tutorials that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your daily life. Take care and have beautiful times.